Today I feel like doing some dancing.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Are you ready, kids?
SpongeBob SquarePants! SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants!
Let's do it again.
Okay! SquarePants!
It's about fun.
What's that?
Fun is when Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. And is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. I thought that I had everybody on my side, but I went and blew it all sky high. And now she won't even spare a passing glance. All just because I ripped my pants.
When Big Larry came round just to put him down, SpongeBob turned into a clown. And no girl ever wants to dance with a fool who went and ripped his pants.
I like to call this little number striped sweater. The best underwear striped